Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. Who can try applying these rules? 126, 345.
Teacher, the number 126 is divisible by 2 because its last digit is 6. It is also divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits 1 plus 2 plus 6 equals 9 is divisible by 3.
And the number 345 is divisible by 5 because its last digit is 5. Also, the sum of its digits 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 12 is divisible by 3.
Fantastic! You all learn quickly.
You know, I really can't imagine life without my phone. I use it for everything: studying, chatting with friends, watching videos, and even ordering food.
I get what you mean, but don't you think students are becoming too dependent on their phones? Some people can't even put their phone down for 5 minutes.
Honestly, I think it depends on how we use them. Phones can be super useful for learning, like looking up information or using educational apps.
Exactly! I use mine for schoolwork all the time. Whenever I don't understand something, I just search for explanations or watch tutorial on YouTube.
That's true, but let's be real. Most students spend way more time on social media and gaming than actually studying.
Yeah, I have to admit, sometimes I open my phone to check one thing, and then suddenly an hour has passed because I got distracted by TikTok videos.
Guilty as well. But it's not just for fun. Our phones help us stay connected. Imagine not being able to message friends or check school updates.
True, communication had become so much easier. Back in the day, people had to reply emails or even handwritten letters. Now, we just send a quick text or voice message.
Back in the day, Kiana, you talk like you are from another generation.
Well, I mean, compared to before, technology had advanced so fast. But don't you think excessive phone use is a problem? Many students lack face-to-face interaction now.
Yeah, that's a fair point. I've noticed that sometimes, even when we're hanging out, everyone is just staring at their screens instead of talking.
Maybe we should have a balance. Use phones for learning and communication, but also spend time offline with friends and family.
Agree. So, let's take a break from our screen and actually enjoy our lunch.
Deal.
I have an interesting problem for you. Our class had 25 pens. Today, 9 students forgot to bring their pens. So I gave each of them one. How many pens are left in this class?
25 minus 9 equals 16. So our class has 16 pens left.
Correct. This is an example of how subtraction is very useful in everyday life. I have another interesting problem. A company has 9,600 face masks and wants to distribute them equally into 12 boxes. How many face masks will each box contain?
9,600 divided by 12 equal 800. So each box will have 800 face masks.
Exactly. Now, what if the company has only 9,650 face masks?
9,650 divided 12 equal 804. Reminder 2. So each box will have 804 face masks, with 2 left over.
Excellent. This is a real-life example of division with a remainder. So, what did you learn today?
Subtraction helps us find the remainder or the difference between two numbers.
Subtraction is not a commutative, so changing the order of numbers gives a different result.
And subtraction is very important in daily life, like when counting objects.
Division helps us split a number into equal parts.
There are exact divisions and divisions with remainders.
Divisibility rules help us check numbers quickly without actually performing division.
Fantastic! Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.